You need to watch this if you struggle with choosing the right motorcycle gear. Safety first, style second. Motorcycle rides are thrilling, but safety should never take a back seat. First up, a sturdy helmet. Did you know helmets can reduce the risk of head injury by 69%? Next, a durable jacket. Not just for looks, it shields you from road rash. Gloves? They're a must. They protect your hands from cuts and improve grip. Now don't skimp on good riding pants. They prevent serious leg injuries. And boots ankle protection is crucial in a fall. Finally, consider a reflective vest for those nighttime rides. Visibility can make all the difference. Gear up, stay safe, and enjoy the ride. Safety isn't just smart, it's stylish.